Hi friends, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. So today we are going to solve another important problem, or you can say more important for your interview exams. This I saw actually this coming up in Google interviews. So I actually picked up and I decided to solve it. And so we are going to read the prompt as usual. You are a talented freelancer with the opportunity to work on various projects, each requiring 1 day for completion and offering a specific payout. However, you want to maximize your earning while adhering to the constraint that you can only work within a 7 days or a week. Your goal is to select a combination of projects within this 1 week. Okay. So basically, we are given two things, deadline and payment, and what we have to get in output is the maximum profit that which can be earned. Okay, all right, so I'll basically write the steps to solve the problem. So we are going to solve it in 6 steps. All right, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, all right, so our first one is to find maximum deadline. All right, and then sort in descent. All right. So third one will be to initialize the timeline array. Okay. I'm gonna say timeline, and that will be equal to the of uh length of the week. All right. So length of week. Okay. And this will be initially equals to 0. And then we are going to iterate through the loop, and then we continue the process. Continue until all the projects are considered. Okay, so we are going to consider all the projects. That is basically going to be the size of the array. Okay, and then we are going to get the max profit. All right, so we have written all the steps. So basically, firstly, we are going to search for maximum deadline. Whoever's deadline is more, we are going to search for that. So let's say, for example, I'm going to take an example and make you understand what my steps are. So we are going to input the right deadline. Payment will be 1. I'm just gonna copy this. And then 2. Okay. I'm gonna say 2 and payment will be 2. All right. So basically we'll be given this as an input. Let's say input equals to this. All right. So we're going to find the maximum deadline, the very first step. So here we have 2 as maximum deadline, and then we're going to sort this according to the deadlines, and then we're going to iterate through the array, and then we're going to continue until the size of the array is matched, and then we're going to return the maximum profit. So for example, we are having a deadline of 3, then basically our profit is going to be 3. All right, 2 plus 1 3. So there we go. Let's just get started. Today I'm very excited to solve this problem because it is a Google interview question. All right, I'm gonna say optimal freelancing. I mistyped .js. I'm gonna say function. Okay, optimal freelancing. And by the way, who has ever not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we are going to say week length equals to 7 because 7 days. All right, so first things first, sorting is first. I'm gonna say A comma B and we're gonna sort it in descending, right? B dot payment minus A dot payment. Okay, so let's get started with the next step. Okay, let timeline, third step. All right, I mistyped. Did I? Okay, okay, we are gonna say week uh, what length dot fill it with what? 0 for now, 0 in the beginning. All right, now we are going to iterate the fourth step, and then we can actually replace this process by using for and off. For and const and off, which is another. But we are going to solve it using a traditional way so that you better understand. And I hope you will never find this uh, anywhere on internet also. But mark my words, you're going to benefit a lot if you watch the entire video. Const deadline, all right, equals to job, and then I'm gonna say okay, then const payment. I'm just declaring payment and deadline now. Okay, my spelling mistake again. And then in the same for loop, I'm going to put another for loop. Let today equals to deadline minus 1 because we are going to be checking it with other inputs. A minus minus. Okay, did I do any mistake here? Oh, well. I think I missed here. We're gonna check in this timeline. Finally, max profit is going to be updated. Our main item, and then we are gonna just return this max profit. All right. All right. So our program is almost done. So we decide what input, or we can say jobs for now. Okay, I'm just gonna copy from the prompt. It's a good one. Let's just save time by doing it. All right. I'm gonna say result equals to email freelancing, and I'm gonna say jobs. Then I'm gonna just console. We can just use console. I mean log, and then it's a shortcut actually. maximum profit. Okay. Then I'm gonna just say the result. Oh, I missed a comma here. All right. So I'm gonna run this. Let's see. Let's come. Okay, week is not defined. Oh, well, it was week length. All right, so we get the profit. Let's say, for example, if we have two, it should actually change. Let's change it here to. Oh, wow. So we have solved optimal freelancing problem. Please note, take a screenshot of this because it is very important. If you all want me to share the code with you, please email me. All right, and please subscribe for such up videos. And I'm going to start now again in Java also. Another playlist will be soon coming. Subscribe to stay tuned.